Hello everyone, I am Eleanor. We're going to learn about the verb to be today. Have you heard of the verb to be before? Do you know what it is? Let's look at these examples together and find out what the verb to be is. He is Mark. Mark is happy. She is Amanda. Amanda is sad. Amanda and Mark are friends. I am the teacher. Do you know where's the verb to be in the examples? Well done! It's the underlined words am, is and are. Do you know when do we use the verb to be? I'll give you some time to think and look at the examples again. Well done! We have three forms of the verb to be: am, is and are. We use them to talk about names. For example, he is Mark. She is Amanda. I am Eleanor. And you, what's your name? Age. For example, I am 25 years old. Amanda is 18. Mark is 29. How about you? How old are you? Feelings and adjectives. For example, Mark is happy. Amanda is sad. What about you? How do you feel? Nationalities. For example, I am English. Amanda is American. What about you? Where are you from? Professions. For example, I am a teacher. Mark is a doctor. Amanda is a student. And you, what do you do? As you can see in the previous examples, the verb to be has more than one form. There are three forms of the verb to be. Let's look at the singular forms of the verb to be. I am, you are, he, she, it is. Let's look at some examples. I am a teacher. She is happy. You are a student. How about the plural form? How is it formed? Let's have a look. We are. You are. They are. Let's look at some examples. We are students. You are helpful. They are British. Now you can use the verb to be. Today we learnt when we use the verb to be, using the singular forms of the verb to be, and using the plural forms of the verb to be. Thank you for watching. See you later.